Isa sa panibagong bukat na umusbong ngayong season 79, ang rookie open spiker na si Kat Tolentino. Tatlong taon pa lamang magmula nang tumira sa Pilipinas para subukan ang kapalaran niya dito sa volleyball.
I think it was a really big adjustment for me. Even though I have like Filipino parents, I had trouble adjusting to just the country. It's very different from Canada.
Sa murang edad na hilig si Kat sa sports, matapos sumunod sa yapak ng kanyang mga kapatid.
I started playing when I was in grade 6. I have an older sister, so she played volleyball, so I'd watch her play. And then I kind of just got introduced and followed in her footsteps.
Towering F6 flat, nakita ni Kat na magiging malaking advantage ang kanyang katangkaran sa paglalaro ng volleyball.
I think I chose volleyball because I found that I was naturally able to play and just my height was an advantage. It started off because I was visiting my brother for vacation in the summer because he was already here for basketball. And then he said, why don't I just try out to see the team and just play for fun and go to BEG and then try out.
Sa likod ng magandang performance na pinapakita ng binansagang Ateneos Girl Tower, dumaan siya sa matinding pagsubok matapos ma-sideline ng kanyang multiple injuries.
I think the first time around, I wasn't really as nervous or as paranoid. Was okay, but by the second one, I was so paranoid to the point where I didn't really want to even watch volleyball, or I already told myself I was done with volleyball. I couldn't even handle being in the Phil Oil Arena just because I kept picturing the injury again. After all the injuries and all the things I've gone through, it's really just being able to play volleyball is already a good enough dream for me, because before I thought that I would already be done.
Tolentino! You could see the wind-up posing. We're looking at Kat Tolentino making her much-awaited UAAP debut.
Sa kabila ng tagumpay na nararanasan ni Kat, bitbit niya ang